What's good with ya, baby? Peace and love to everybody out there, man. Hope all is well. Hope you guys take care of yourselves, man. Staying safe out there. It's your boy Ahmad back at y'all with another reaction. So, shout out to my guy Soon in the future. I reviewed some of his beats in the past. He sent another track into me by the group called 4D Beans. This song is called Switchblade. It's a little quick track to review. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, subscribe if y'all new. If you want your music promoted on this channel, it's only $40 for a song, $80 for an album EP review on this channel. So yeah, y'all go crazy. PayPal's in the description. So yeah, let's get it. This group is called 4D Beans, by the way. This song is called Switchblade. Let's get it.
We'll make you gas, holy shit. We'll make you gas, holy shit. Information per millisecond. Holy shit, speed, bitch. Holy shit. Pass the switchblade, I'll crack his rib cage. This bastard's been played. Fascist in grade, I spat at his grave. Just pass him this way, he's fish flayed. I should roast him on a spit. The things I do for love will make you gas. Holy shit. The script is spoken, men with souls of fire, launching lightning bolts, and assassins will move outside the eye of the king before they slice his throat. Feeling one of those ties and I hold stripes. I froze ice, it's so nice, I know, right? Pass the switchblade, I'll crack his rib cage. This bastard's been played, fascist in grade. I spat at his grave, just pass him this way on display. What him say? We ain't fucking stupid. Bitch, you passed the 6th grade.
Nah, we passed 6th grade. We ain't stupid.
But if they keep deceiving, you can drown them in their blood in the tub rubber dog. Or the fuck your rubber ducky, he's a scrub. The same for every member of your club. The age is now upon us, bring these serpents into sight. Blind them with our light, then exile them to the night. We're here to share our pain and shed its relevance in tears. This year the king fears, the kids cheer. Bitch, yeah.
This beat is nasty. Oh, that's it. Oh, it was a quick little track though. I forgot. But damn, I want that song to be longer because the beat, Soon, yo beats be fire, bro. It's like real different, bro. It's like mixing in different genres into hip hop, bro. I got that feeling off that. And 4D Beans, that's the ones that rapped on this. They dope as well too. They had some good punchlines or whatnot. It's a pretty good track, man. So yeah, if you guys support this, y'all rock with this track, man. Their music is in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, subscribe if y'all new. Soon, keep doing what you're doing, man. Your beats is fire, bro. 4D Beans, if y'all watching, y'all keep doing what y'all doing. This shit was fire. I gotta know y'all names separately too. I know y'all group. I need to know y'all names because y'all dope. Y'all dope as hell, bro. This song was cold. I like this. But yeah, peace and love to y'all, man. It's your boy Ahmad. I'm out.